This is all drill pipe induction, quenching and tempering equipment, designed specifically for steel pipes with diameters ranging from 60-32毫米 to 114.3毫米, lengths ranging from 9000毫米 to 9750毫米, and all pipes with wall thicknesses ranging from 4.83毫米 to 6.88毫米. The induction heating, quenching, and tempering technology features rapid heating, minimal surface decarburization, and a fine martensitic structure in the hardened edge layer, resulting in high hardness, strength, and toughness. The equipment is equipped with a mobile car heating device, which heats up the offsetting and reheating of the oil pipe end to ensure uniform heating and high efficiency. The quenching temperature of the equipment is about 900 degrees Celsius, and the tempering temperature is about 650 degrees Celsius. The power consumption for quenching and tempering each ton of steel pipe is about 500 degrees Celsius. The production line has an hourly capacity of 1200 kilograms. Ensure that the temperature of the steel pipe core gauge and the temperature difference between the front and back are less than 10 degrees Celsius. The spray quenching system is equipped with a stainless steel water tank and a fan-shaped spray ring to reduce medium overflow. The entire equipment automatically feeds, heats, quenches, tempering, and receives materials. Realize fully automated operations to ensure efficient, safe, and stable operation. This is our company's oil casing, quenching, and tempering electric furnaces in the Philippines. If you need this product, you can contact us and we will provide you with the best solution. 24 Our business communication, overseas installation, debugging, and training of engineers, and welcome you to visit our company for inspection.